Okay, this is our new way that we are going to be using Scratch. So if you've created a Scratch account previously in a different class or even in this class earlier in the semester or even yesterday, this is our new way we are going to use Scratch. We're going to use Scratch with CS first. So the first things you need to do is go ahead and click Start Here to join CS first. Now to do that, you're going to click this link down here. It's going to take you to CS first, and you are going to sign in up here in the top right corner. The benefit to this is you don't need to remember a username and password. Once you get to this screen, I'm going to click I am a student, and we are going to now sign in with Google. So as long as you're signed in with your school Google account, this will work for you. Go ahead and confirm your school Google account, and it will bring you to this main screen. Now, your main screen, your student screen will look like this. You might see your actual classes, but what you should see the very first time is an invitation to join my class, to join Mr. Kelsey's class, whether it's Creative Tech, Essential Tech, whatever class you're in right now. Now, here is the one huge tip. If that message does not pop up and you do not see any classes or projects, click up here in the top right corner where it says My Dashboard. And this will bring you back to this dashboard, and it should then trigger that invitation to join my class. And then you will see something along the lines of this with our current assignments. For this particular assignment, we are starting with Welcome to CS first, and then we're going to move on to Build a Superhero. Now you can get to those two different ways. First way is go ahead and click here directly through CS first, or you could click using the links here in Google Classroom, which is Activity 1 and Activity 2. So I'm going to do it actually just through CS first. I'm going to start with my Welcome to CS first. Up at the very top, it says Start, and this is how you start this activity. Now, this is a text-based activity. You'll notice it jumps you into Scratch. It looks just like regular Scratch. It is, in fact, Scratch. It just is the one connected with CS first. It's a little bit more stable, and the login is easier. This text-based is going to have you go through, click Start Lesson, watch a little video here. This very first one assumes that you've never seen or used Scratch before and introduce you to some of the platform ideas here. If you don't need that video, you can click it. And then it does show you some of the things where you can hide and show the instructions here and exactly what it is that it wants you to do for each of these steps. This button here tells you what to do just as you're moving through. And that's how you're going to get started with Scratch with CS first.